outdoors here, and well, what you see behind me, that's a big piece of history. Actually hits me right here. Built around 1900s. I can't remember the exact year. I think it was right around 1911, and put into service from then until about 1959. Union Pacific's BigBoy in 4014. Big, huge, massive piece of machinery. You're looking at just the engine and the tender, over 1 million pounds sitting there. Yeah, you know, that it's an amazing piece of machinery. Went to a museum, and well, they took and they brought it back and you know, repaired it and brought it back into service. They're doing a little tour with it through the UP Steam Shop. If it's not something that you've seen and you're in the Midwest or Southern states, check it out. You can look up UP Steam Map. If you Google that, you'll easily find where it's scheduled to go, where it's going to be, and everything else. It is a beast, and it's so cool to be able to see. You know, taking a day off from working on the house and everything, got a lot of work done. Got Max over here and Carol, they're coming up behind me. But yeah, you know, get out there and see things. You know, don't just you know, I do outdoorsy stuff on this channel, you know, and well, it's not, we're outdoors, but you know, it's just a really cool piece of history to see. So if you can find it, get a spot to go check it out, I would highly recommend it. Alrighty, so there it is, 4014, leaving from Vinita, Oklahoma, a little bit before 10:30, but yeah, they're on their way. Like I said, they're going to have some stuff going on here eventually, I believe down around New Orleans, Louisiana, where they're going to take and you know, allow people to get on, ride, and go do some things. If you can do it, go for it. You know, I don't blame you one bit. It'd be really a cool piece of history to ride along and see. It looks like they've redone a lot of the cars that they're pulling as well. So that, or they really keep them in good shape. And you can even see inside where they have some actual furniture. You know, that's how it was back in the old days. You know, it was just well, a lot of times the nicer cars, there was furniture and stuff like that sitting there. So anyway, take it easy, have fun, do good things, right? All right.